I got bitches with me wild. I met a bitch in Bali. I met a bitch in Dallas. Now she working magic. Make a bitch move to the city, nigga. I got ball status. Da Vinci on my sweater, bitch. I'm way above average. Rolex on me on TikTok. Savage rock around with the big block. I'm a real gangster, I don't shit talk. Slaughter gang, nigga love to kill. All my pieces flooded. All my drinks come muddy.
What up? What up? What up? Don't let this fool you. It's not actually cold in Florida. It's 60, but you know that's cold in Florida. 60, 50, same shit. But anyway, so today what we doing? I'm back with another round of maintenance on the Benz. It's just an oil change, but this time I switched to liquid moly instead of that mobile shit. The mobile one bad, but what I noticed is I get like a tick on cold start, and it just seemed like it break down faster than liquid moly. And the old owner, who I'm still friends with on Facebook, he used liquid moly in it, and obviously it worked good. So I switched back to that, and it's cheaper. FCP Euro. Let me go over here. FCP Euro, I bought it from there. So it was like $80, which damn near after putting 5W50 in the Mustang, I think it's cheap. Cause I think it is cheap. I don't know. I gotta do the math, but it's close. For a Benz, you would expect it to be more. But that's what I got. Hold on. So I got this 5W40 mileage. This the new liquid mileage, so we finna see how this go. I really didn't want to keep doing like having to buy like all them extra additives and shit every time I do an oil change. So I just get the kit from FCP Euro that come with it. So you get this, you get a filter, 9 quarts in total. So I got all these, and then it come with a new O-ring washer, and that should be about it. Oh, and it come with a new drain bolt too. So it come, focus, there you go. It come with a new bolt, new washer, filter, oil, all this for 80. And if you, I think you spend over like $40 on FCP Euro, you get free shipping. So about to knock this shit out. I just drove the car like 30 minutes ago, but I only went to the gym and back, so it shouldn't be too hot. But yeah, I mean, y'all seen me do this before, so I ain't gonna film the whole damn process. But I went to a big car show this weekend with Perez in Orlando. So I got like a few clips of that. I didn't take my camera with me. I fucked up. I left my camera. I was already like 10-15 minutes away from the house. I just didn't feel like backtracking. So I got a few clips like on the iPhone, but I ain't never really vlog on my iPhone. So like a few of like the angles and shit like ain't the best. But regardless, it's something. I saw some pretty cool shit. It's more like, that car show was more like JDM style or like tuner style. It wasn't really no American muscle or German muscle there for real. It was a cool little show, some clean shit. That's like, it was like inside and outside, but it was cold, so I just stayed inside. But they had some cool cars there. So after I do this, I'm gonna drive the car just to see how this new oil mixing up in there, see if it stopped it doing like any ticking or anything. But yeah, so I'm gonna do this, add them clips in, but I'll be back before I add them clips in. So enough talking. So I said it before, and I say it again. This is really one of the simplest cars to change oil on, and I mean that shit. But all them goddamn plastics in the way down there, that shit so annoying, bro. That shit add like an hour to your. Let me show my black ass in the light. That shit add like an hour to your job, bro. Real shit. But tell me rev up. You know what I'm saying? But we in home stretch now. What I did this time, instead of me giving them up and underneath the car, I put the plug in, the new washer, all that shit at the same time. And then put the plastics on too. So now I ain't gotta get back underneath that motherfucker unless I'm taking it off the jacks, cause I ain't got time for that shit. I'm like, you know, I used to take the transmission out of the Mustang on my back. I don't have to, I won't be down there if I don't have to. But, alright, you know what I'm saying? Old filter, old O-ring, old drain plug and O-ring, new joint, new O-ring, greased up. What else I did? Shit, the oil really ain't look that bad, but I been beating this hoe like a stepchild, so I need to. I had to change it, man. It was just, I didn't trust that mobile 100%. I know it still ran good, and Nick used to put it in there too, and it ran good, but I don't know. It seems like everybody just recommend liquid mileage and talk about how it helped it quiet it down and blah blah blah. So I'm about to set this camera up. What I really want to see, cause they say this oil is a different color, so I wanted to hurry up and get this in there and see what it looked like, cause I ain't never seen no green colored oil or whatever they say. So I'm about to sit this down, put the filter back on, pop off the oil cap, and then get the filling and get to home stretch. And then I add in the videos from the car show. But that's later, so let me quit getting ahead. I'll be back. Murder on my mind, I pray I don't have to kill my dog. I'll be ready to stand my ground, I'm not worrying about the law. You got me feeling like we could have been superstars, pulling up in foreign cars. Niggas lying to the media talking about me. Oh! Damn. Bro. Hold on. Quit fucking playing me like this, man. Let me flip my screen up so I can see, cause I can't see shit. Da 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 da. Damn, bitch. There we go. Is it snug up? Good. See if I can get this cap off without a ratchet. I ain't even do myself like that. I'll be back. I might just be country as hell, but I ain't never seen this bitch come like with a pour spout. You pull up. Damn, that's like that shit that them German motherfuckers be on it, boy. I like that. See what this look like. Oh, it is green. What the fuck? Let's see. I'm gonna set this down so we can get a good look. I'm gonna try to prop this up here to give us some light so we can see something. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that'll work right there as long as this bitch don't get to slide. Alright, let's see. How many is this? 5? 5 quart? Shit, no. Oh shit, it's green. Back, you know, I had to get my little photo op. Probably gonna be a whatchamacallit, Damn, what the fuck wrong with me? What am I trying to say? What's it called? A thumbnail. A thumbnail. That's what it's gonna be. I'm trying to do a thumbnail. But yeah, I got my thumbnail picture. Everything buttoned back up. About to crank it up. See what it's talking about. Let me get these out the way. Damn. Da 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 da. The lights gonna come back on? There we go. Oh, y'all can be seeing it. Let me see. Skirt. Yeah. Yeah, baby. With it being a dual overhead cam, basically just like a bigger version of a Coyote, it's gonna have that tight rider to it. But I just wanna see how quiet it's gonna run in general. Woo, that hoe is so hard. But I'm about to get this bitch off jack stands, drive around the block probably, and then see what it's talking about. But yeah, so after that, I'm gonna put them clips in here like I said, but I'll be back in a minute. Yeah, y'all know I'm back at my favorite spot, gas station 7-Eleven. But, I mean, obviously, I done drove it and it warmed up and shit. It actually is quiet. I don't want to say that for like some placebo shit, but it is pretty quiet. But yeah, I swear to God, ain't no better feeling than doing some maintenance on your car and then getting it off them jack stands and driving. But yeah, the Benzo is good. Only thing else I gotta do now, really, just for peace of mind, I was on the highway and something cracked my fog light. The lens on that one cracked. You can't see it because the light's still good, but the lens on that one's cracked. They both cracked, but that one is actually bad. But I just ordered some fog lights the other day. Actually, I ordered something last week and forgot. I gotta check the tracking to see where they at. So, obviously I gotta fuck with that light, but I don't care about that because it go off when it want to. My rear view camera working now too, so I love this little car, man. But yeah, man, car running good. Let me hit that thing one time so y'all can hear it. Turn that off. Yes, sir. Let me stop before they put me out this bitch. But, yes, sir. Running good. Not gonna do the usual talk for 10 fucking minutes and then say I'm done. But that's pretty much it. What I plan on doing this video, y'all hopefully it can happen. I gotta get some tires for my drag pack, and then either a test and tune, or I might just go to Bradenton for streetcar takeover the 4th through the 5th in February. So hopefully I want to see if I can get it to some 11s on how it sit before I go do like race tune and E85 and all that. I think it'll do 11s how it sit, man. This bitch is pretty quick. So that's pretty much it for now. So next video, hopefully y'all see me with some tires and on the drag pack, and then we'll get to work. Maybe really catch some shit, because right now from a 40 it's spinning, so I need to get some 40, it's spinning to 62 depending on what the road like. So I need to put that tire on the drag pack soon. But yeah, that's it. Hopefully in the next video that'll be what y'all see. I had to hurry up and put some oil in it just in case I make another long trip. I planned on going somewhere soon. But that's it for now. Ain't no leaks or nothing. Hell no. Ain't no leaks or nothing. So That's good. That's it for now. Y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn the notification bells on. I did not forget about the giveaway. I've been getting registered for my next semester of school, so I was busy with that. But I promise I'm gonna get it in order when I get time. I promise. I'm tired of announcing it too without shit coming from it. But I'm gonna get it in order when I can. But y'all turn them notification bells on after you subscribe, like, comment, give me feedback, tell me what y'all want to see. I'm sorry the videos ain't as constant as I like. I'm trying, but school is just tough. I told y'all. But that's it. I'll see y'all in the next one. So peace.
My niggas, it's just my niggas. Nah, my niggas won't smoke. Don't trust my niggas, don't front my niggas, cause all my niggas cutthroat. Ed beater, all my niggas stretch dope. Home invasion, all my niggas kick dogs. Navy SEALs, all my niggas on go. Pussycat, all yo niggas some hoes. I caught another body, now I need a shovel, dog. Caught another body, now I need a shovel, dog. I caught another body, now I need a shovel, dog. Caught another body, now I need a shovel, dog. 21 nigga will touch it, dog. Paradise City, they'll touch it, dog. 9th Ward niggas, they'll touch it, dog. Everywhere I go, my niggas clutch it, dog. Don't you get too close, cause I'll bust you, dog. I got that paddock on and I'll bust you, dog. She should be standing on the pole the way she bustin', dog. You might just get a Gucci purse, you keep on sucking hard. Niggas lukewarm and I'm fucking hard. I got that Desert Eagle and it's fucking card. I'm in the Hellcat, my Rari fucking parked. I heard you when I bad, you got kicked out the park. Caught a body, now I need another shovel, dog. Caught a body, now I need another shovel, dog. Caught a body, now I need another shovel, dog. Caught a body, now I need another shovel, dog. Hey, fuck that shovel, we gon' feed you to the gators, nigga. 21 gang of bust your tater, nigga. Paradise will bust your fucking tater, nigga. 9th Ward will bust your fucking tater, nigga. St. Laurent dinner, man, it's Taylor, nigga. You can get plugged like some cable, nigga. I sold a lot of bags in Decatur, nigga. I robbed a lot of niggas that ain't get no straightening, nigga. You think I give a fuck? I know you niggas faking, nigga. You think your Instagram gon' make me think you dangerous, nigga? The trap being hard, the neighbors keep complaining, nigga. She say she nervous, she gon' suck it through the blanket, nigga. I be way higher than Jamaicans, nigga. I know a lot of niggas that love taking, nigga. Don't you get it twisted, cause I'm famous, nigga. I still leave your ass stankin', nigga. Bumblebee, stinging like a bumblebee. Floating like a butterfly, cause I smoke on a bunch of weed. Point that nigga out there saying he gon' throw a punch at me. Old dog, Mossberg, yeah, I got that pump. I caught another body, now I need a shovel, dog. Caught another body, now I need a shovel, dog. I caught another body, now I need a shovel, dog. Caught another body, now I need a shovel, dog. 21 nigga will touch it, dog. Paradise City, they'll touch it, dog. 9th Ward niggas, they'll touch it, dog. Everywhere I go, my niggas clutch it, dog. Diamonds on me fleeking. Bad bitch with me freaking. Fuck that bitch this evening. Fuck that bitch then leave her. 21 Savage don't need you. Dog nigga hoe mistreat her.